So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Apple Music songs are not playing in your car. So maybe you have these songs that you're playing from your particular car, and maybe your phone is connected, but the songs just aren't playing at all. Now, the number one reason why this ends up happening for the most part is because there's some sort of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection problem going on with your particular car and your phone. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is to go through into your iPhone settings right here, go inside of Bluetooth, and what you're going to want to do is make sure your phone is connected to your particular car. That is the number one thing I'd recommend doing. Now, on top of that, if you're using a wired connection, so let's say your phone is wired, plugged in, you want to make sure your phone is charging. If your phone is charging and your songs aren't playing, then we'll get into that in a second. But if your phone is plugged in and it's not charging, that means your car is not connected to your particular phone, and you're going to have to check that wire out, plug that wire back in and out, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, when it comes down to the Bluetooth side, if your phone is connected to your car, then that's great. If your phone is not connected to your car, you want to go through your pairing settings to connect your phone to your car, and then you should be able to play those songs wirelessly from your phone to your particular vehicle that you have. Now, if your phone is connected, everything looks fine, but for some reason the songs are still not playing from your particular device, the next thing you're going to have to do is to just literally go through and basically turn the volume up on your particular car. So either turn the volume up on your car or turn the volume up from your side of your particular phone right here until it's all the way up. You can also go through and just swipe down from the top right here, grab this bar and bring it up or down depending on what you need to do. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. If that doesn't end up fixing it, you may want to try restarting your phone and repairing the process, or make your way over to your settings application one more time. Go into your general settings, which is right here, click into software update, see if there's a software update available, and if there is, just go ahead and basically download this update and install it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.